If you're an event organizer and you've ever struggled to fill vendor spots or had to chase vendors one by one, this is going to completely change how you run your events. Hi, my name is Elle, and I help vendors and event organizers grow through pop-up markets and events. And I created an app called Let's Pop Shop to help organizers find and manage vendors way more efficiently. Let me show you how it works. If you have an event coming up, I'd recommend setting this up early, so vendors can actually start finding your event instead of you chasing them. Right now, most organizers are posting on Instagram and hoping vendors see it, posting in Facebook groups and managing a ton of DMs, or manually reaching out one by one. What if instead vendors could just apply directly to your event? You start by creating your event inside the app. You can add event details, location, vendor categories, pricing, and booth options, so vendors know exactly what you're looking for. Then vendors can browse events in their area, and when they find yours, they can apply directly through the app. No chasing, no messy DMs, no spreadsheets. Inside your dashboard, you'll be able to see all vendor applications, review their profiles, accept or decline vendors, all in one place. And depending on how you set it up, you can also collect vendor payments directly through the app. So everything is streamlined from application to payment. If you run events consistently, this turns into a system where vendors are coming to you every time you post. And that's when it really starts saving you time. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you're building something that works for you long term. If you want to try it out, you can sign up below and create your first event. You can do so at app.letspopshop.com. And subscribe for more helpful tips managing market events, festivals, and pop-ups. Hope to see you guys in the next video.